Dear viewers, Namaskaram. I have started to give you some of the very well known folk tunes of Bihar. You know that folk tunes are the very important and it should be preserved. Till now, I have given you the tune for Jat Jatin. I have given for the Sohar. Here, one more thing I would like to mention that the folk tunes are especially on the special occasions. Some of the tunes will be played only on the particular occasions, not all the time. But it is being preserved, it is being continued in the same tradition. Today, I am going to present a very famous folk tunes of Bihar. It's called Jharni. Jharni. Jharni is one of the tune, especially there are the words, there are the songs, lyrics also on this tune, and particularly this tune, the lyrics are called Jharni Geet, and it is very famous in Bihar. And the occasion for this Jharni songs, Jharni tunes are only at the time of Tazia. You know that the Tazia is one of the very famous festival, I can say, for the Islam religion, and the Tazia is bringing out with full crowd, with full people. A special type of Tazia will be constructed by the followers. There will be seapad, and so first the seapad will be going. After that, the danka will be there. Then the Tazia will be there, and behind the Tazia there will be a group of the people who will be in the rounded one, and in rounded one they will move also in rounding, and in circle they will move, and after moving they will put a dance also. Their hands will be on the back side, and one hand they will put this Jharni was made especially from the date tree leaves. Date tree leaves, the very back portion of that leaves, which is very white, and they will make it Jharni type of things with some hammer and all, and this can be put for the Jharni. And you know that for the moving for the cow birds or moving for the dirts, this called Jharni. So that Jharni, sometimes Jharni is called for the hair combing also. So hair combing also it's called Jharni. Sometimes removing the dirts it's called Jharni. So Jharni means Jharna. This is the Hindi word Jharna. So the action Jharna will be performed by that Jharni, and that Jharni will be made, and that Jharni all the people of that group who will be in the circle will keep in their hand, and be one by one they will put on each other, and the song will be also going on, and they will be moving in the circles also. It is a very tragical, I can say, tune, and there is the full story of the war behind this one, that how the king has come, how the people have come. So that's called Jharni songs of the Bihar. Today I am playing the beautiful and very melodious Jharni tune for you people. Please see if this type of tunes you like. Please subscribe my channel. Please like it and share it also, so that the traditions of the folk tunes of Bihar should go to the various parts of the people, so that it can be preserved. Thank you very much giving me your support. Once again, I am expecting that you will give me the support. I hope your full support will be there. So today, third tune in that series, Jharni tune.